Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best mascaras specifically designed for Asian lashes. If you have shorter or straighter lashes and struggle to find a mascara that works, you're in luck. We've rounded up 5 top mascaras that deliver volume, length, and curl for Asian lashes. Let's explore which one is right for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Shiseido Full Lash Volume Mascara. The Shiseido Full Lash Volume Mascara is a top choice for achieving voluminous, defined lashes. Designed to enhance the natural beauty of your lashes, this mascara is ideal for those with Asian lashes that may need extra lift and fullness. Key features: this mascara features a unique brush designed to coat every lash, adding significant volume and definition. Its formula includes a blend of fibers and pigments to create a full, lush look. The product is also water-resistant, ensuring it stays put throughout the day. Benefits and usage: Shiseido Full Lash Volume Mascara provides excellent volume and length with a single application. It's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. The formula helps to lift and separate lashes, making it ideal for achieving a dramatic, yet natural look. Usability: applying this mascara is straightforward thanks to its ergonomic brush, which helps in evenly coating each lash. The formula is buildable, allowing you to achieve the desired volume without clumping. It's suitable for those who want a reliable mascara that enhances their natural lashes. Durability: this mascara offers impressive staying power, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. It's also easy to remove with a gentle makeup remover, making it a practical choice for daily use. Its water-resistant formula ensures your lashes remain flawless from morning to night. In the second spot, we have Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. The Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara is renowned for its ability to create long, curled lashes. This Japanese favorite is specially formulated to provide impressive length and curl, making it an excellent choice for Asian lashes. Key features: this mascara features a curved brush that helps to lift and curl lashes from the root. The formula includes a blend of lengthening fibers and a long-lasting hold, ensuring your lashes stay beautifully curled all day. It's also water-resistant and resistant to sweat and oil. Benefits and usage: Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara is ideal for achieving long, curled lashes with a single swipe. It's perfect for those who want to enhance their natural curl and length without needing a lash curler. The formula is buildable, allowing you to customize your look. Usability: applying this mascara is easy with its innovative brush, which helps to reach even the smallest lashes. The formula glides on smoothly, creating a lengthening effect without clumping. It's suitable for those looking to add length and curl to their lashes with minimal effort. Durability: this mascara is highly durable, maintaining its curl and lengthening effects throughout the day. It's resistant to smudging, flaking, and humidity, ensuring your lashes stay perfect from morning to night. Removal is straightforward with a gentle eye makeup remover. Coming in at number 3 is the DHC Perfect Pro Double Mascara. The DHC Perfect Pro Double Mascara is designed to offer both volume and length while being gentle on sensitive eyes. This mascara is an excellent option for Asian lashes that need a bit of extra definition and fullness. Key features: this mascara features a dual brush design, with one side for volume and the other for length. The formula includes nourishing ingredients like olive oil and collagen, which help to condition and strengthen lashes. It's also water-resistant, ensuring long-lasting wear. Benefits and usage: DHC Perfect Pro Double Mascara provides customizable volume and length with its dual brush system. It's perfect for those who want a versatile mascara that enhances their lashes while also caring for them. The formula builds easily, allowing for a personalized look. Usability: applying this mascara is simple with its dual-ended brush, which offers precision and control. The formula is smooth and buildable, making it easy to achieve the desired volume and length. It's ideal for those looking for a mascara that combines performance with lash care. Durability: this mascara offers excellent staying power, resisting smudging and flaking throughout the day. Its water-resistant formula ensures your lashes stay looking great, even in humid conditions. Removal is easy with a gentle makeup remover, making it a practical choice for daily use. Taking our fourth spot is Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara is known for its ability to deliver sky-high lashes with impressive length and volume. It's an excellent choice for those with Asian lashes looking for a dramatic effect. Key features: this mascara features a flexible brush that helps to coat every lash from root to tip. The formula includes bamboo extract and fibers, which work together to provide extreme length and volume. It's also designed to be buildable, allowing for a customizable look. Benefits and usage: Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara is ideal for achieving a dramatic, sky-high lash look with each application. It's perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. The formula builds easily, creating a bold, defined look without clumping. Usability: applying this mascara is easy with its flexible brush, which helps to reach every lash. The formula is smooth and buildable, allowing you to create a voluminous, lengthened look with minimal effort. It's suitable for those who want a mascara that delivers dramatic results. Durability: this mascara offers impressive staying power, maintaining its length and volume throughout the day. It's resistant to smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes stay perfect from morning to night. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover, making it a convenient choice. And finally, at number 5, we have Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara is renowned for its ability to deliver bold, voluminous lashes. It's a great choice for those with Asian lashes seeking a mascara that offers both impact and comfort. Key features: this mascara features a large, fluffy brush that helps to add volume and definition to lashes. The formula includes a blend of waxes and pigments, which work together to provide intense color and fullness. It's also designed to be smudge-resistant and long-lasting. Benefits and usage: Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara is perfect for achieving bold, voluminous lashes with each application. It's ideal for those who want a dramatic, impactful look without sacrificing comfort. The formula builds easily, allowing for a customizable volume without clumping. Usability: applying this mascara is easy with its large brush, which helps to coat each lash thoroughly. The formula is smooth and buildable, making it suitable for creating a full, defined look with minimal effort. It's ideal for those looking for a mascara that delivers dramatic volume and definition. Durability: this mascara offers excellent staying power, maintaining its voluminous and defined look throughout the day. It's resistant to smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes stay looking great from morning to night. Removal is simple with a gentle makeup remover, making it a practical choice for daily use. Finding the perfect mascara for Asian lashes can make all the difference in achieving a stunning look. These top 5 mascaras offer a range of benefits from volume to length, ensuring you find the right one for your needs. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews. See you next time.